Okay guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly what this course is about. So here we have Minecraft 1.17. This is also going to work for 1.18 and all the later version that are going to be released after this time. So don't think it is outdated just because I'm showing you 1.17 on the screen. But also this will work down to 1.8.9, so even people on that version will be able to take advantage of it. So please pardon the fan noises you may hear in the background. My computer is a little bit beefy, so we may hear some more noises coming on very soon. So let's just start. I'm gonna get myself a tool, and there's two parts to this course. First of all, we will create a sequence, and a sequence works like this. You can start a sequence. It has different scenes. Every single scene has different animation on it. And you can see what's going on here. This is a simple sequence. You may have seen this on Hypixel, for example, in lobbies, in minigames. And I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. And by the way, you don't have to spawn beacons. All of these items are the same. You can also see the nice animation. All these items are the same, but this is just fake. You can obviously customize every single one of these items. And you can obviously just customize every single one of these items to drop something else. I just set it to drop diamonds. You can set every single item to drop something else. Now, that's the first part. The second part of the training is called rendering. So I'm going to show you how to use simple math functions. And by the way, you don't have to be a math wizard. Even if you have no math skills, you will be able to use it and customize it. So I'm going to toggle, for example, butterfly, and we have a very nice effect. This is actually RGB, and you can get the same effect for 1.8.9. And I can just toggle it to disable it. Now, obviously, you can, if you want to, place it on a player or any other moving entity. Or you can just place it on any other static location so that it doesn't move. Now, you will get the same output for 1.8. I just have to close 1.17 because the computer is literally exploding. So 1.8, you can see I just clicked the item and it works just the same. Maybe this one is, no, it is not flickering. You'll notice this when I move my camera, sometimes the chest is disappearing. This is just a client limitation. I'm going to show you how to fix that by spawning something else here, but guys wanted to have chests here, so you can do it with chests, but you can also do have something else here, such as the beacon, and the beacons are not disappearing. And then let's just turn wings. So you will have full RGB support for even down to 1.8.9, which is beautiful. Same goes for butterfly. You can obviously just customize the color to whatever you wish. So that's that. There's just two things that I've shown. The first one is called render. The first one is called scenes or sequences, and the second one you see still on the screen is called rendering. But these two features, if you have them, you are insane. Most people don't. So it's just two features, but you will be able to take it to an insane level and literally implement everything, any sort of animation in your Minecraft you want, just as you have seen on the big networks. And you don't have to hire a developer and pay him $80,000 or $100,000 a year to have it. After finishing this course, you will know exactly how to do it and how to do it fast without wasting time, and most importantly, how to do it for multiple Minecraft servers without having to code twice. You only code once, and we do the rest using our foundation system. We will make it automatically work across all Minecraft versions. So that's it.